shut the fuck up. No.
No, good!
No.
You did not just say that!
Dead. Not important.
Uma ameaça em forma acidental, porque em Menina Superpoderosa.
He brings no contribution to us.
Well, you can't say we didn't warn you. You snuck, and now you've earned the penalties. You're grounded. Go up to your room. We've got a big surprise for you.